Good morning, my dear students of class 10th. Welcome to maths class. Student, as we are doing exercise 3.5 of chapter number 3, that is pair of linear equation in two variables. So today we will do the second part of the question number 2. For which value of k will the following pair of linear equations have no solution? We need to find out the value of k for which these linear equation have no solution. Students, we know that if we have no solution, so we have only one condition here, that is a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. Here a1 upon a2, a1 3, a1 is 3 and a2 is 2k minus 1. So a1 upon a2 is equal to 3 upon 2k minus 1. b1 upon b2, b1 is k and b2 is k minus 1. So 1 upon k minus 1, and c1 upon c2, c1 is 1 and c2 is 2k plus 1. So it is not equal to 1 upon 2k plus 1. Now we will take first two conditions here because both these conditions are equal to one another. So 3 upon 2k minus 1 is equal to 1 upon k minus 1. Cross multiply we will do 3k minus 3. 3k minus 3 is equal to 2k minus 1 multiplied by 1, that is 2k minus 1. Now 3k minus 2k is equal to 3 minus 1. So k is equal to 2 we have. So for k is equal to 2, the pair of linear equations have no solution. Now question number 3, do by yourself, and we have question number 4. The first part of the question number 4, that is a part of monthly hostel charges fixed. In a hostel, the monthly charge is fixed and the remaining depends on the number of days one has taken food in mess. Number of days. According to the number of days, the charge is fixed in the hostel, and food according to the number of days. When a student A takes food 20 days, she has to pay 1000 rupees as hostel charges. Whereas a student B who takes food for 26 days and pay rupees 1180 as a hostel charge. So find the fixed charge and the cost of the food per day. Now we have in the hostel fixed charge and the cost of food per day. So let the fixed charge be X and let the cost of food per day is Y. So the first condition, student A is giving the hostel charge and he is taking the food 20 days. So if the charge of 1 day per day is Y, so 20-day charge will be 20Y, and the fixed charge is also. So this fixed charge plus charge of 20 days food is equals to he is paying 1000 rupees. So X plus 20Y is equal to 1000, or we can say that X plus 20Y minus 1000 is equals to 0. This is the equation number 1. Now student B 26, he is taking food 26 days. So 26Y charge of food, and this is the hostel charge, fixed charge. X plus 26Y is equals to 1180, or we can write X plus 26Y minus 1180 is equal to 0. So we will solve these equation by cross multiplication method. Here we will write X, Y and 1 as I told in my previous video, that we will write like that. Here's the value of b1 b2, then c1 c2, then a1 a2, then again b1 and b2. Now we will multiply first 20 by minus 1180. 20 multiplied by minus 1180 minus 26 multiplied by minus 1000 is equal to 1000 multiplied by 1 minus 1000 multiplied by 1 minus 1000, and minus sign here, and minus 1180 multiplied by 1, that is minus 1180, and already minus here, so that it will be positive sign. 126 minus 20 we have here. We will solve. Calculation we will do here. Minus 23,600 plus 26,000. 26,000 we have is equal to Y upon minus 1000 and plus 1180, and 26 minus 20, that is 6. X upon 2400, Y upon 180 and 1 upon 6. So the value of x we have 400 and the value of y, we will put x will be equal to 1 and y, the value of y upon 180 will be equal to 1 upon 6. So from there the value of x we have 400 and the value of y we are getting 30. So the fixed charge be 400 and the cost of the food per day is 30 rupees. Now the third part of the question number 4, Yash scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. For right answer he is getting 3 marks and for losing 1 marks for the wrong answer. And had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks been deducted for each incorrect answer, then Yash would have scored 50 marks. So there will be 2 equations. The first equation, he is getting 3 marks for the right answer and losing 1 marks for the wrong answer and getting 40 marks. And in the second condition, he is getting 4 marks for the right answer and deducting 2 marks or losing 2 marks for the wrong answer and getting 50 marks. So how many questions were there in the test? So how many questions was there in the test? This is the question. Now let number of right answers is equal to x, or right questions we can say, and number of wrong answer is equal to y. We need to find out the total answer. Now in the first condition he is getting 3 marks for the right answer. So right answer we let x. So 3x and losing 1 mark. So 1 multiplied by y because we let number of wrong answer is y. So 3x minus y is equal to 40 marks he is getting. So 3x minus y is equal to 40, or we can write 3x minus y minus 40 is equal to 0. For the second condition, 4 marks for the getting the right answer and losing 2 marks for the wrong answer and he is getting 50 marks. So the equation is 4x minus 2y is equal to 50. We can take 2 as a common, divide by 2 the whole equation. 2 2 ja 4, 2x, 2 1 ja 2, that 1y and 2 25 ja 50, so 25. 2x minus y minus 25 is equals to 0. This is the equation number 2. Again we will do this question by cross multiplication method, x, y and 1. From here we will start. Value of b, value of c, value of a, b. This is the sequence. Student, this is a sequence. Just keep it in your mind. X. The left side of the x, leave the x and take the value of b1 and b2, and after that b1, b2, then c1, c2, then a1, a2, again b1, b2. Okay. So here we will put the value minus 1 multiplied by 25 minus 1 multiplied by minus 40. Why? Minus 40 multiplied by 2 minus 25 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3 multiplied by minus 1 minus 2 multiplied by minus 1. 25 banja 25 plus minus minus plus and again minus we have here 25 minus 40. 40 into 2 minus 80 and 25 into 3 75 minus 75 and minus minus plus plus 75. 3 1 ja 3 minus 3 and 2 1 ja 2 minus 2 and minus here, so then minus and minus plus. So we are getting x upon minus 15, y upon minus 5 and 1 upon minus 1, or we can say that minus 1. So we will put this x will be equal to this and this y will be equal to this. So from here minus 15 multiplied by minus 1, the value of x is equals to 15 and the value of y is equals to 5 we are getting. So right questions or right answers we have 15 and wrong answers we have for the Yash, that is 5. So total question in the test, that is 15 plus 5 is equal to 20. Okay students.